Our tour company is pleased to invite you to Georgia, one of the most fascinating seaside countries in the world that is still to be discovered by you. Why you should visit Georgia? It's cradle of wine and homeland of the first European. Traveling to Georgia, you will find many places with wildlife and so far untouched by many landscapes, which makes the country even more attractive to tourists. Georgians believe that the guest is by the Lord, and therefore warm hospitality is well known for our guests. First day, meeting at the airport, transfer to the hotel, meet your guide, overnight in Tbilisi. Second day, Georgia is rich with holy places. Today you will visit the most important churches and museums of Tbilisi, St. David's Church, as well as Sioni, Medehi, Anchishati churches and Trinity Cathedral Church. And there you will have free time and you can walk around Tbilisi, relax in the hotel or choose your optional tours offer. Overnight in Tbilisi.
Third day. On this day you drive to Kakheti, home of winemaking, but at first you visit the rock hewn in the monastery complex of David Garage. The monastery is still well-lit and should dress appropriately. From David Garage you go to the charming city of Kakheti, Sirnaghi. Georgians call it the city of flowers. The city recently renovated and makes an unforgettable impression on visitors. Return and overnight in Tbilisi. Fourth day. Drive from Tbilisi to Batumi. The tour program includes excursion in Batumi, visiting the seaside of the city as well as monuments and cathedrals, visiting the well-known botanic garden of the city, dinner in the restaurant, little rest in Piazza Square, visiting the central theater of the city, visiting the House of Justice, Tower of Love and the dancing fountains. The tour is ideal for foreign guests to visit Batumi city and see sightseeing in the shortest period. The tour is ideal for active rest and relaxation.
Fifth day, travel back in Tbilisi. Rest in hotel and write a letter about your holiday in Georgia. In evening, we transfer to the airport.